welcome back to the channel of Kanak Info System. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about the marketing automation. That how you can create a campaign for the marketing automation and how you can create an activity for that campaign. So for that, first of all, you have to know that what is marketing automation. So marketing automation allows you to automate a series of actions and the sending of communication based on defined criteria. For example, it enables you to automatically send an email to the customer. So basically, Odoo Marketing Automation can eliminate the need for manual tasks. So let's see how you can create a campaign for the marketing automation. So for that, you have to go to this marketing automation app and click on this new button for create a new campaign for that. Now you have to select this start from scratch and click on this create campaign button. Now you have to give the name for this campaign. Let's go with the leads. Now you gonna select the responsible for this campaign. So I am go with this Michelle admin, and you have to select the target. So let's select leads for that. And this is the unicity based on field. So what is this field about? So this option is used to avoid the duplicates on the model fields. For example, we select the email, so this avoids records with customers who has the same email addresses. So this let's go with the email lead. So now you can select the filter, and here you have to select the stage name, and we gonna set to is equal to new. So what is this filter do that the in the CRM app, these what opportunity stage name is in the new, then this filter works for that opportunities. So now your campaign is created. Now we have to create an activity for this campaign. So let's create on this add a new activity, and we have to add the name for this activity. And let's go with the email block, and here you can see that these are two activity types here, email and the server action. So what is server action? So server actions are things that you can automate in the backend. For example, to create an activity that automatically moves to opportunity to the qualified stage. So that thing's in done by this server action. But now we go with this email. Now you have to choose the mail template. So here I choose this email block for customer mail template. Now here it triggered means if I choose the 1 hour, then it triggers the uh, this that means this mail is sent after the 1 hour. But we have to trigger this immediately, so we go with the 0 hours. Now uh, what is this expiration duration? That means this for example, if I go with the 24 hours, so that means this activity is closed after the 24 hours. So we didn't set the expiry duration, and here you can see that our campaign filter is applied here. Now you just have to click on this save and close button. Now you can see that our activity is created here, that email block. Now, and you can see that here when I over this child activity, then these activities are pop-upped. So what is these activities? As you can see that these child activity will only be triggered depending on the participants' reaction to our particular campaign activity. For example, this email is sent, and when I set this child activity, then this child activity is triggered on participants' action. So this activity is open, then this is not open, then this activity is replied, not replied, then this is click, and this is not clicked, then this is bounce. So I am gonna go with the, I have to click the create the child activity. Now let's go with the discount promo, and I go with the email, and I have to choose the email for that, and triggers 0 after another activity, not after mail open. So this child activity is triggered after the mail open. Which mail? After email blog is activity is triggered and clicked, then this child activity is sent. Now just click on this 7 close button. Now you can see that our discount promo is created. So now I have to go uh, that I have to show you that how you can configure the server action activity type. So let's make the let's do that all opportunities which is in new state that triggers to the qualified state. So let's give our activity name is qualified pipeline, then choose server action and choose server action for that. You can see here that you have to choose the model for that, and you have to give the type of, that means update record. That means our stage is which is in new stage, uh, that can be updated to the qualified stage. So this server action is for the that pipeline. So you have to just save it. Then these also can be triggered immediately. So we have 0, we have to go with this 0, and we can update this to opened when that opened the mail. So that's it. We have to just click on the 7 close button. Okay, now you can see that our main campaign is this, our main campaign activity is this email blog, then that child activity is discount promo, then that server action child activity is this qualified pipeline. So now let's just test this campaign. So click on this launch a test, then you have to choose an opportunity. So first of all, we can see that which opportunity is in the new state. So you can see that this we go with this Azure Engineers opportunity. So let's go with that. Click on search more and find your Azure Engineers opportunity. You can see it here and click on the launch. Now you just have to click on this play button so that your mail is sent to the recipient's address. It just take a little bit more time. So your mail is going, and you can see in the processed. I will just shown you. You can see this mail is defined. You can see this mail is here. Now You just have to click on somewhere in the mail so that the child activity can be triggered. Now you can see when you refresh this activity, then this child activity is also processed. Now go with the mail again, and you can see that this discount mail is triggered. So we just have to click somewhere inside to trigger the server action. Now you can see that this server action is also processed. To check, we have to go to the CRM again. Now you can see that our Azure interiors opportunity is in qualified state. So that's how the marketing automation works. So that's it for today. Thank you.